the candidates they should look at very carefully. Kwa sababu naambianga watu kila wakati, unajua kitu mimi kwanza, kwa sababu sijaingia kwa hiyo maneno, I have no scores to settle with anyone. I am here for only one purpose, making a contribution to fix the challenges that face my country. And to go forward. Sasa mimi sina shida na mtu, I have no political debts or anything. I am like them. I want a better country. Like them, I want to solve these challenges. Nikwambie ukinipea dakika moja.
Okay.
Wakati nilikuwa waziri wa elimu nilienda Parents Day Pangani Girls. Niseme au wale walimu na wanafunzi wa Pangani hawata nilaumu nikisema haya. Tukiwa pale you know, nilianza mfumo mwingine wakati nilikuwa waziri wa elimu. Nilikuwa naambia walimu wenzangu na wazazi kwamba tukiwa na mikutano na wanafunzi ni vizuri tuanze kusikiza wanafunzi. Sababu wakati mwingine tunazungumziwa na walimu na wale watu wakubwa pere tunaenda pale tunakula pilau tunapotea. Sasa nikaambia tafadhali tubadilishe mfumo wa kufanya mikutano yetu ili tusikize pia watoto wetu, kwa sababu lazima wanataka kutuambia kitu. And you know this contest, that time mambo ya Gen Z is about voice. It's about being heard. It's about expressing themselves. We have run a society for a long time that does not listen to others, especially the young members of society. Power is operated from a structure of top bottom. To wale wakubwa wale wako juu ndio wanaelewa, hawa wengine wasikize vile tunaongea. Gen Z is redefining that particular dynamic and that power relations. So msichana mwingine mwanafunzi, I think she was a form 4 student, amechomoka kutoka hapa akachukua microphone akaniuliza directly facing me. She asked me, Minister, that's the first time I was doing one of my first meetings in schools. Minister, and she almost drove me to tears, that girl. We work so hard, but there are some schools that access exams. You know, some of the courses we want in university, like medicine or to go into law, they are filled by the time we are selected by schools. Some of those that have accessed the exams. What are you going to do to guarantee that those of us who work hard and get genuine grades, we also have a chance to compete for those courses? You know, why that was an emotional moment to me was I was being challenged by our children, Kuliswa, because some things had happened in the past that were not right and so on. That is the same moment we are facing in the country today. The younger members of our society are asking the same questions. We've been on this forever, 62 years after independence. There are questions about inclusion.